Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Fall has kicked off on the mild side. So far, freezing temperatures have visited only a few locations. Sealing has seen 2 nights with frost. 7 other locations have had a 32-degree or lower temperature on only 1 night. Checking on air temperature averages for the month of October, we were 1 to 3 degrees above average across the state. 2 locations, Stigler and Bristow, were right at average. The air temperature averages in October range from 57 at Boise City to 66 at a number of locations along the Red River: Granfield, Ardmore, Medill, Durant, Hugo, and Idabel. The departure for maximum air temperatures were slightly elevated in the far southeast. Out in the Panhandle, they were just 1 degree above average. It was the departure from average for minimum air temperatures that saw more dramatic differences. Sites in the Panhandle were 5 to 6 degrees above average for nighttime lows. In the gray areas, the minimum was the same as the long-term average. Bristol and Tallahena had minimums that averaged 1 degree cooler for October. Here's Gary with a look at last month's rain and its impact on our drought status.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, a couple of weeks with some really nice rains have really put a dent in that flash drought that's been developing since late summer. Now, we do need some more rain because there's still some pockets of drought around, but we have a much nicer looking drought map. Let's go right to that. And we can see we still have moderate drought a little bit down in southwestern Oklahoma, up into north central and central Oklahoma, and then far southeastern Oklahoma. But if we look at the 30-day rainfall map, we can see really that the areas of heavier rains match up with those areas that have seen relief. Now, the Panhandle, of course, has no worries about drought, and south central and in far southeastern Oklahoma starting to come out of drought, get completely out of danger. That's those areas up in north central and southwestern Oklahoma that have had 2 inches or less, 3 inches. Those are the areas that we're still concerned with drought. The good news for November from the Climate Prediction Center is they still see increased odds for above normal precipitation for the month of November, so hopefully this drought map will be completely free of any colors by the time we reach the end of November. So hopefully that map from the Climate Prediction Center does come true. We do see some more rains through November, or snow, whatever comes, and we get that drought on out of here. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.